Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how we can use Buffer. Let's get started. First, sign in or sign up using your credentials. The link to the website is in the description. Now select a channel where you wish to grow your audience. Select and proceed as shown. After the process is done, on your home page, go to the Create option in the top panel. Now to add a new idea in your to-do list, click on New Idea. Now input your title. You can write its description. You can even use the AI assistant that they provide to write on your idea. You can edit the AI generated text, rephrase it, or simply copy and paste it to your idea. You can even upload files if you want to. Now click on Save Idea to save your new idea. This lets you keep track of your content. Now go to the Publish option in top panel and click on New Post to upload your content. Select the content type. Input your content description and upload your content. Scroll down and fill in the information of your content. And then just click on Share Now and your content will be uploaded. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.